fantastic cause. We have Sharon Feldstein, mother of Beanie Feldstein and Jonah Hill. You might recognize those names. And Patsy Noah, mother of Mr. Adam Levine. They are joining us with this morning via Zoom. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
This must
Sacramento.
be, well, we appreciate you taking the time. You're joining us from the comfort of your home. Normally, I would be really nosy and ask you to give us a tour, but I don't want to do that because we have more important things.
We have a 3-minute segment. You can't do that.
I know. And we have to really talk about what you're doing. Tell us a little bit about Your Mom Cares. You're really trying to help children and really change it from mental illness to mental wellness, right? And so you are teamed up and you're kind of spreading you're using your celebrity status really to influence people to help out and join in on this movement.
Well, we're giving voices to kids that don't have voices, and we're changing the dialogue from mental illness to mental wellness. But more than that, we fund the most innovative, cutting-edge programs to diagnose and treat anxiety, depression in children, okay, which is an underserved, it's an underserved age group, and the underserved are even more underserved, if you're following what I'm saying. And sadly, because of what's going on right now, our telepsychiatry that we have funded is being requested throughout the country. So we're very proud of what we've done and sad that everybody is needing it to this extent right now, of course. And we've also partnered with Children's Health Fund, which is the most incredible organization. And they go literally, it's our Mobile Mom Emergency Fund, which Your Mom Cares does have for these kind of emergencies. And we are working with them they take buses in 20 underserved communities around the country to get them testing and to get them medical care that they need anyway. If you have an asthmatic child, that child could have a very serious reaction to asthma and still needs his treatment or her treatment. They can't just say, well, oh, we're quarantined, we can't have our medicine, we can't, get ourselves some treatment. So we physically fund the buses that go to these areas. And without our funding, these programs will not continue to exist. And we will continue to fund them after the virus.
Right. What's so amazing is that this started, you mentioned, a year and a half ago. I know the idea was even before that, but this is so needed so much more than ever right now.
Right, because everybody needs moms, and everybody needs moms to take care of them. That's our our brand could not be easier, to be honest, because Your Mom Cares. I mean, who's going to fight with us?
Right.
Right. What do you say? No? I don't want my mother to care?
Absolutely. We're not going to fight with moms. Speaking of moms, let's talk a little bit. I know we see you two, Patsy and Sharon, but we've got some other moms that have also kind of joined in. You've got quite the girl gang, if I can say that.
We have a girl gang. People always ask us why we don't do Your Dad Cares yet. We'll get to that once Your Mom Cares have conquered what we need to conquer. So Patsy, you want to give them a couple of names?
Well, our third musketeer is Alicia Keys' mom, Taria Joseph. She's on the East Coast, and we get together whenever we can and include her in a lot of decision making. We have Michael B. Jordan's mom, Donna Jordan. We have Chris Paul's mom, Robin Paul.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of other, moms. Anyone.
We have Bahati. We have Mary Lou.
Yes, we've heard a few of these names, certainly. Let's talk a little bit how people can help out right now. If people are at home watching this right now and they say, we love what you are doing, we want to be a part of this, you've made it very easy for people to help you out.
Yes, we have. Most people want to volunteer. And there are ways to do that, but right now during the crisis, we're trying to raise money to support Children's Health Fund in their efforts. So
we have a text to donate, and you can follow us on Instagram, and Patsy has the text to donate. What's that number, Pats?
You can text to donate. All you have to do is text to 44-321 and just text kids get it to, all lowercase and the number 2. And of course,
you can follow us on Instagram. You can go to our website. You can donate. We have a link to donate for this emergency fund, just for this particular fund. And we are boots on the ground and doing the best we can to help the kids that these kids never have a voice. And in this situation, their voice is even quieter, if I may say.
Right, absolutely. All right.
And right now, staying at home, texting to donate or going to our website and donating is really the best, easiest way for people to stay safe and to help us out.
And we welcome all mothers, not just celebrity mothers. The reason that we did the celebrity mother thing is that people, we have a voice and we have to use our voice for good. And so once people start to listen, then everybody has always been welcome, but we just started with that platform because influencers are so important right now.
Right.
And I challenge all influencers right now that are not part of our group, that have been, selling, clothing on,
Right.
on Instagram, whatever, to give some money and use their platform for good. Now more than ever is the time for them to step up and use their platform for good.
All right, Sharon Filtzing and Patsy Noah, thank you so much for being with us this morning. Love what you're doing. And like she said, who's going to argue with mom, right? I feel like let's go help out right now. Your mom cares. We've got all the information.
Join us.
Right? Join them and what they're doing. It is so fantastic. Of course, needed more than ever. Ladies, thank you so much. You can tell
Thank
Jenny
you for
and
having
Adam
us.
we say hi.
The tour of the home will come next time. The tour of
Okay,
the home will
next,
come
I'm going to hold you to that. I'm going to hold you to that. All
Okay.
right, ladies, thank you so much. All right. Time now
Okay.
is 8:20. Good